good design needs excellent technologies to bring it to life. Global markets have right working conditions. Is it durable? Is it safe? That all depends on technical details. Please welcome process engineer Zhihui to talk about the NFLG 960DP's technical innovations.
Hi Maria, we've maintained strict standards for piping, wiring, sheet metal fabrication and welding. And on the NFLG 960DP, we're using FRP Fiberglass Reinforced Plastic for the very first time. This material is already fully proven in tough working conditions all over the world. It brings huge benefits to global customers. For one thing, it's super lightweight. FRP is just 1/5 the density of steel, greatly cutting the weight and transport cost, following the industry trend toward lighter equipment. On the other hand, it's really durable. It offers outstanding corrosion and weather resistance, even in high temperature, high humidity, and heavy salt fog environments. Its service life can be much longer. That makes it perfect for operation in all kinds of regions globally. And lastly, it's much safer. FRP is not conductive, so it makes the whole on-site operation much safer.